LMC Truck Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume commercial truck dealerships are all similar, but LMC Truck focuses on a wide inventory, flexible financing, and aftermarket support. That sets it apart. LMC Truck sells new and used trucks, trailers, and commercial vehicles. One standout feature is their financing options, which include leases, loans, and customized repayment plans to suit different business needs. Most people assume buying commercial trucks is complicated. The surprising truth is LMC Truck provides detailed vehicle listings, inspection reports, and expert guidance, making it easier to choose the right vehicle for your operation. Another advantage is aftermarket support. LMC Truck offers service, parts, and maintenance programs, helping fleet owners minimize downtime and maximize ROI on their investments. However, there are some considerations. Availability may vary depending on location, and shipping costs for certain vehicles can be high. Buyers should also compare financing rates with other dealerships to ensure they get the best deal. In conclusion, LMC Truck is ideal for businesses seeking reliable commercial vehicles with flexible financing and support. Its combination of inventory, guidance, and after-sales services makes it a strong choice for fleet owners. Subscribe for more honest commercial vehicle reviews before making your next purchase.